One of the optional feet, the walking foot, for the Husqvarna Viking Brilliance 75Q is a great addition if you are a quilter. Now, anytime that you're working through batting and multiple layers that kind of want to slip and slide or change directions and make puckers, or if you're sewing on batting or things that are kind of stretchy like knits or polar fleece, a walking foot is a wonderful addition. Now, just a note on the walking foot, we do have a video on every part of how this works, how to attach it, and I'm going to put the link right up here so we're not repeating all that information. We'll also put the link in the description below so you can click over there and watch it. But let me just make one extra note about the walking foot. Yes, once you have it on, you can do a straight stitch. You can do decorative stitches. The only thing I wouldn't do on this machine are the sideways motion stitches. So since the feed dogs that you see that are positioned to be on the top with the foot and they work with the teeth underneath, they really are a forward and reverse kind of system and not so much a I'm going to sew sideways type of foot. So that's the only one that would probably not be great with the walking foot of stitches that are built into this beautiful machine. So that would be just something to keep in mind. But you can do all the stitches that you want. Plus, this foot has the optional few extra feet that you can add, including my favorite, which is the one with the guide in the middle. A lot of people like it for stitch in the ditch because you can just place that kind of guide in the groove and easily stay positioned. And you notice I didn't even have to have a screwdriver. It's actually a magnet and they just kind of click on and off, and you can get one with 1/4-inch markings. This is the one with that has more of an open toe, and then there's the one with the guide. So a couple come with the foot when you buy it, and that is a really great accessory to add on. So try it with decorative stitches, try it with a straight stitch. People do ask me, does it work backing up? Well, yes, it does, because with decorative stitches, some of those stitches go forward, back, and that is no problem at all. But if you're working with any weird fabric, stretchy fabrics, or fabric batting combinations for quilting, you are going to need a walking foot. Okay, here at the end of the video, here's another link to that walking foot video where you can check it out and watch how to use it correctly.